Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the defrost thermostat in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 4-inch nut driver, a pair of wire strippers, electrical tape, and a couple of butt connectors. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new defrost thermostat. This defrost thermostat is mounted on the evaporator. It serves as a safety device to prevent overheating and damage to the plastic lining and wiring during the defrost cycle. It shuts off the power to the defrost heater if the temperature exceeds the safe level. If the freezer temperature is warmer than normal and the fresh food section is not cold at all, and you can see a snowpack on the rear cover inside the freezer, check the defrost thermostat and replace it if needed. To get it apart, we need to open the freezer door. To pull the ice bucket, we just simply take it out, slide it out. All right, next I'm going to remove the ice maker. It's held in place by 3 4-inch screws, 2 at the top and 1 at the bottom, right there. Using a 4-inch nut driver, I'm going to remove the bottom one first and the top ones. I'm going to put it down. Next, I'm going to unplug this power plug. There's a tab here on the side. I'm going to pull it and pull the plug apart. Now we're going to remove the ice maker. Now we can remove the shelf. I'm going to lift up on the right side, push it in, then lift the left side all the way up and slide out the right side. Now we can remove the shelf. Next, I'm going to remove this evaporator cover panel. There's a couple of 4-inch screws need to be taken out. Using a 4-inch nut driver, I'm going to remove them. Next, I'm going to remove this clip that is a ground wire. It's on the left side next to this water inlet tube. I'm going to use a 4-inch nut driver, but you can use anything you want that is good enough to take it off. Next, I'm going to remove this cover panel. I'm going to grab it here and tilt it forward, shake it side to side, and make sure that the plug is not on the way, so we're going to push it through. So right there, this is our defrost thermostat, and we're going to remove it from this copper tubing. There's a clip at the bottom. Take it off. Then I'm going to slide it out in the open here, and we are going to do the surgery right there. Right now I'm going to use these wire strippers, and I'm going to cut these 2 wires. Next, I'm going to strip little ends of here, that 2 wires here, and we are going to use the same wire strippers. I'm going to twist them and leave it for now. This is the old defrost thermostat next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Next, I'm going to measure the length of the wire harness that we're going to keep. The rest we will clip off. About that much. Alright, so we have an approximate length. We need it, so I'm going to use these wire strippers, and I'm going to clip off the extra And now we're going to strip these the ends. Okay, I'm gonna make sure they are the same length, so I'm gonna shave it off. And now I'm gonna strip the ends, same length that we did on the harness inside. I'm gonna twist the wires. And I'm going to install the butt connectors right there. Slide it on, push it on, and then using that the tool here at the back, we have the crimping tool. Squeeze it. Make sure it's not coming off. And the other one. Next, we're going to connect the defrost thermostat to the harness here. I'm going to go by the color code, which is not important basically, but why not? In our case, we could mix up the wires. It won't be any negative result on this one. So, using that, put it over, and I'm gonna crimp that thing. Next, I'm going to use this electrical tape to insulate the butt connectors. And now we're going to install the thermostat. We'll clip it onto this copper tube. And leave it there. Alright, so I'm going to bring in the panel. And I'm going to start installation. I need to place it over the openings. Slide it in. And I'm going to reach over and get this plug. I'm going to slide the plug into this cutout. And this ground wire clip. Hold it so it won't go back. We're going to install everything into the cutouts, push it down, make sure it's sealed. There should be no seam openly seen. So down. Next I'm going to install this ground wire clip. And I'm going to put back the wire itself. I'm going to clip on this ground wire connector. And place the wire in. Now I'm going to secure the cover panel with a couple of screws. Push it back, match the holes, and using the 4-inch nut driver, I'm going to install the screws. Now I'm going to install the shelf. I'm going to start with the right side. I'm going to install it into the cutouts and slide it all the way to the right, lower down the left side, and pull it in. I'm going to start installation with placing that front screw in. I'm using a 4-inch nut driver. That's it, no more than that. And then we're going to plug in the ice maker. Make sure it's locked. And I'm going to turn it around and feed the harness back into this cutout. Place this water inlet tube into this opening here at the back. That's very important. I'm going to hang the ice maker on the front screw. And next I'm going to install the rear screw. I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver. And I'm going to place the screw in. And I'm going to tighten the front one. And now I'm going to place the bottom screw in. Now we can install the ice bucket under the ice maker. Okay, now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.